Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Side Browsers. In today's video, we will be discussing about the inventory management in Odoo 18. Odoo 18 point of sale system is tightly integrated with the inventory management module, offering a solution for business to manage sales and stock control in one unified system. So let's see how can we manage the inventory movement in Odoo 18 point of sale. For that, you can just dive into the point of sale module, and from the configuration settings, we have a section called point of sale where we can just manage with the inventory movement during the session closing or in real time. And we can also just deal the operation type that is used to record the product picking, that is the products are consumed from its default location. So in this case you can see that we have given the source location as Cybro stock, and we are just going to consider the product that is um, corner desk right sit. So in this case you can see that as you just move on to the product corner desk right sit, here we have 95 quantity of the item and 45 in Cybro stock and 50 in CY stock. So whenever customer places a order for the item will be taken from here. Okay. Now let's move on to the product and I mean into the point of sale, and let's see how to sell this item and record the inventory movement during the session closing. So for that we can move on to the dashboard, and in the dashboard you can find the register. So as you just open the register, here we can set the opening cash. So I'm going to set the opening cash. Afterwards, open the register and choose the product which is corner desk right sit. And in this case, you can see I'm going to set the quantity as 40. And you can see that the amount, everything is given over here. If you want to choose a customer right now from here, you can choose it. And let's move on to the payment. And in the payment, you can also choose the cash method, and let's click on validate. And after closing the session we can just find the inventory movement. So let's close the register. So as we just close the register, here we can just see the money count doesn't match with what we expected, wrong difference book. Let's proceed anyway. And here let's close register and let's move on to the backend, and you can find the inventory movement in real time. So as you just move on to the reporting, and under the reporting move history, we can find how the item is just taken, and it is taken from Cypro stock, and you can see how it's, I mean, to whom it's delivered, that is into the partner customer location. Now, likewise, we can also manage the inventory movement or management in point of sale during real time. So let's move on to the point of sale, and under the configuration settings, now I'm going to change the inventory management as in real time. Now, as we just go with that, we also just need to save the changes that we have made in the configuration settings, and we also just need to change the source location. So in this case, you can see that the source location is given as uh, yeah, Cybro stock. So I just want to change it as CY stock over here. Now let's perform the same operation over here for the same product with different quantity. So I don't want to set the quantity over there. So I'm going to set it as 30 as a quantity. So let me set the quantity over here. Let me choose the customer, and let's choose the product, or you can, yeah, let's say it has one quantity itself. And let's move on to the payment, and in the payment you can just choose the cash method, and let's click on validate. So if you want to get the invoice, you can just enable that and click on validate, and afterwards you can find how the inventory is just been moved. So that's done, and here in this case we are not going to close the session register, and we will be moving to the backend. As we just move on to the backend, in the inventory you can find the real-time report. So as you just move on to the move history, you can see that the item is just taken from CY stock and just moved to partner customer location. As we just changed the source location, here you can see whenever the customer places order, the item will be taken from the other location and managing the inventory. So it's very easy to manage the inventory movement in Odoo 18 point of sale. So if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorials, feel free to contact Cybroses. As always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.